Assalomu hurmatli obunachilar, bugun yana bizlar oddiy o'ynab mazza qilamiz. Dam olamiz. Mana bunga ham oz qoldi. Marcus Valderramanmi? Shunday bo'lgan futbolchi. Persic, Rivaldo. Albatta menga Rivaldo shuni xohlayapman. Ko'p kuttirmasdan o'yinni boshlaymiz.
This will allow them to keep possession and frustrate their rivals. Nice pass.
Qanot kuzatma. To'xtat qo'ydi. Kyle Walker.
He's moving fast with the ball.
Bruno'dan.
Oh, that pass could have been better.
Brunello degan klubda ekan. Angliya klubi bo'lgan, shuni bilaman.
Already we have a goal alert coming in from the other game. It's whipped into the box. Well read. Careless pass there.
Qabul qo'ygandi, lekin yaxshiroq bo'lmadi.
Oh, determined challenge there. This player is taking charge and moving down the flanks. Really good possession here.
Ronaldo uzun masofadan zarba. Ronaldodan birinchi gol boshqa bermoqda. Ronaldo ajoyib hujum bo'ldi mana. Xo'sh, Ronaldo qochib ketdi. Zarba, ajoyib gol. Birinchi gol tayyor. Bu raqiblar futbolchilar boshladi. Noto'g'ri tayyorlab berdi. Abdug'odir Husanov tayyorlab beryapti. Hop. Tayyorlab beramiz. Valverde, Gakpo'dan zarba va Bartamon qaytarmoqda. Abdug'odir Husanov bilan gol urib ko'rishga tiramiz.
He's won the ball back.
To'xtatishdi. Abdug'odir Husanov olib qo'ygan futbolchidan shuni o'zi qo'l qilib olib qo'ydi.
Makes the pass. He rose up to win the ball. Here's Anthony with the run. Oh, well timed. He steps up to steal the ball. Oh, a chance now to turn defense into attack. Confident pass. Great dribbling.
Time to get Bruno'ga.
One team managed to get ahead, but their opponents will surely now to fight back.
Bo'ldi, mana hammasi joyida. Almashtirishlar o'rnida ikkita o'zgarish, bizda 3 ta. Boshlangan futbolchilardan pressing qilamiz. Pressing. Kyle Walker darajasi 82-83 ga ko'tarilgan. Eng yuqori darajasi. Kyle Walker. Olib qolganda.
Anthony has it.
Anthony.
Oh, can he score?
Anthony hamma oldi ketgan Anthony. Because buni go at Anthony deyishmaydi. Roll Anthony. Va o'sha golni ko'ramiz. Anthony bitta raqdan qochdi. Ikkinchisini ham aldadi. To'xtata olmadi yurtida. Bittasi yana bitta qochib Bartabondan chalg'itib gol urib ketmoqda. Anthony.
With the ball.
Yes, Gakpo bilan boshlaydi. Anthony'ni o'zi qo'ydi. Anthony'dan chiqarib keyin.
Nifty bit of footwork there. Yet another goal in the other game. Surely that's an unassailable lead.
Ronaldo pas berdi. Ronaldo yetib borma pas.
Looks like the opposition.
Bartabon yugur.
Can anyone get on the end of this one?
Yaxshi, Anthony. Ronaldoga boradi.
Passing the ball really well. Intercepted.
Anthony.
He's knocked it long. Passed well. Here's Anthony with the run. He's one-on-one now. Will we see a goal here?
Bu
Oh, he tried
o'yinchilik
his best.
o'xshamadi.
It's just
Seni
off target.
bosdim, juda noto'g'ri ketib qoldi.
You can see from the bench that the manager's extremely
Antoni
pleased
Ronaldoga
with
pas,
his team's
Ronaldo
performance
va
today. Ukachukwu
raqib futbolchisi olib ketib qolmoqda. Ronaldo o'zi olib ketib qoldi.
has read that one
Yana shu
absolutely
futbolchi
perfectly. Some strong
va
tackles.
Ronaldo
It
motor
looks
pas
like it's going to
berdi.
be one of those physical games. Notes are being taken on the touchlines. Will we see some subs introduced? He did well to win the ball
Antoni.
back.
Eng yaxshi o'yinchi hozirchalik Antoni o'tib turibdi.
Time for a
8-1
fresh
ball
player
bo'yicha.
to enter the fray. A poor
Va
ball
katta
there.
bosim qilmoqda. Agar Ronaldo gol ursa, Ronaldo o'tib ketadi. Hozir ko'ramiz. Bitta Ronaldo bilan gol ko'ramiz. Harakat qilamiz.
Valverde
Xo'sh,
tackles.
Antoni,
This is the player who's making it
Antony.
all happen. Here's
Antoni,
Antony with a run.
Ronaldo va Ronaldo bilan Antoni uzatmasi o'xshamadi Ronaldoga. Xo'sh, Vartabon raqib
The
boshladi
players are
va
smiling.
futbol
They showed their
shu galgaricha
superiority
mazza
and came away
qilmadik.
2-0 winners.
Xo'sh, o'yin qahramoni murabbiylar sog' ko'rishmoqda
He
va
gets the
bu
player of
vaqt
the match
Antoni
award fully
bo'lmoqda.
deserved. He was unstoppable today.
Bo'ldi. Hurmatli obunachilar, video yoqqan bo'lsa like bosib obuna bo'lib qo'yamiz. Aytganimdek, men tekin pas ochiraman. Agar men yilning oxirigacha 1000 ta bo'lib ketsam va tekin akkaunt va sovg'alar beraman. Kim tanga olmos xizmat kerak bo'lsa, men pastda telefon raqamlarini qoldiraman. O'shanga telefon qilib, budasi akkauntingizga tanga va olmos chiqishingiz mumkin. Xayr, sog' salomat bo'ling.